Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today our topic is decimal and percentages, and we will learn about how to convert a decimal number and a fraction number into percentages. As you know, fractions are those numbers which are separated by a line. The number above the line is numerator and the number below the line is called denominator. Mixed fractions are a type of a fraction which include two parts. One part is whole number and the second part is fraction number. One in this number, one is your whole number part and 3/10 is your fraction number. Decimals are also the easiest way to represent fractions. 1.3 is your decimal number. Percentages, we also convert fractions, mixed fractions and decimal numbers into percentages. 130%, and this is the special symbol of percentage. Decimal and percentages. Exercise number 4C. Question number 4. Change these fractions into equivalent fractions with denominator 100. So we have to convert our denominator by multiplying any number. So we get 100 in the denominator. Part A is 7/10. If we multiply 10 by a number 10, so it converts into a number 100. The product of numerator is 70, 7 multiplied by 10, and the product of denominator is 10 by 10 is equals to 100. 70 by 100 is our answer. Part B is 9/10. If we multiply a number 10 by 10, so we get the number 100 in the denominator. 9 multiplied by 10 is equal to 90, and 10 multiplied by 10 is equals to 100. 90 by 100 is our answer. Part C is 4/5. If we multiply a number 5 by 20, we get the number 100 in the denominator. So we multiply 20 both by denominator and the numerator. The product of our numerator is 80. 4 multiplied by 20 is equals to 80, and product of denominator is 100. 80 by 100 is our answer. Question number 5. Express these fractions of 100, rounding off two decimal places where necessary. Express these fractions of 100 means we multiply our fraction by 100 and round off and divide. When we divide the numerator by denominator by numerator, if our answer is too large, so we round off two decimal places where we need. Part A is 4/7 of 100. 4/7 of 100 means 4/7 multiplied by 100. 4/7 multiplied by 100. If we multiply 4 by 100 equals to 400. 7 in the denominator. We divide 7 by 400, so our answer is 57.14. 4 is less than 5, so no need to round off. This is our answer. Part B is 11/14 of 400. 11/14 of 400 means 11 by 14 divided by 100. 11, when we divide 11 by 100, we get 1100. Divided by 14. When we divide 14 by 1100, we get the answer 78.57. 7 is greater than 5, so we round off the decimal to these two decimal places and we get 78.6. We remove the number 7 and add one number in number 5, so we get 78.6 after rounding off two decimal places. Question number 6. Write each fraction as a percentage. So we have to write our fraction numbers into percentage with the special symbol of percentage. 7/10. First we have to convert our denominator by 100, so we can write the fraction into a percentage. 7/10. If we multiply both the denominator and the numerator, we get 100 in the numerator, so we can convert this fraction into a percentage. 7 multiplied by 10 is equal to 70. 10 multiplied by 10 is equals to 100. 70 by 100 is equal to 70%. Part B is 1/4. If we multiply a number 4 by 25, we get 100 in the denominator, so we multiply both the denominator and the numerator by 25. we get 25 in the numerator and 100 in the denominator. 25 by 100 is equals to 25 and 25%. 25 we write 25 as it is, and 1 by 100 is equals to percent. Part C is 3 by 8. We again multiply this number by any number which convert it to 100. We multiply it to 125, so we get 1000. 375 the product of our numerator, and 1000 is the product of our denominator. 1000 is also equals to 100 multiplied by 10. So by 100 we convert this into percentage, and by a number 10 we convert the numerator into a decimal number. If a number is divided by a number 10, so we place one digit, we place the numerator after one digit after point. 37.5 375 converts to decimal number 37.5, and 100 by 1 by 100 converts this fraction into percentage. 37.5 is our answer. Part D is again 19 by 100, so we don't need to multiply this fraction to any number. We simply convert it to 19%, because 19 and 1 by 100 is equal to percentage. 9 by 10 we multiply this both the denominator and numerator by multiplying it to 10. 90 or 100, 90 by 100, 90 by 100 equals to 90%, because 90 and 1 by 100 equals to percentage. Part F is 1 by 6. If we multiply a number 6 by 277.83, we get number 100 in the denominator. 100 in the denominator and 16.67 in the numerator. As you know, 1 by 100 equals to percentage, and 16.7 percent is your answer. Question number 7. Write each fraction as a percentage using the special symbol. A is equal to 7 by 10. सॉल्यूशन इसका क्या होगा? हमने सबसे पहले जिस तरह पिछले क्वेश्चंस पे किया था, हमने इसके डिनोमिनेटर को हमेशा 100 में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, तो ये हमारी फ्रैक्शन कन्वर्ट हो जाएगी परसेंटेज में. हमने इसको 100 में कन्वर्ट किया बाय मल्टीप्लाइंग बोथ द डिनोमिनेटर एंड न्यूमरेटर बाय 10. So it converts to 70%. Part B is again 99 by 100. No need to multiply by this fraction by any number. 99 by 100 equals to 99. 1 by 100 equals to percent. 99%. Part C is 30 by 50. If we multiply, so we have to convert 50 into a number 100. So we multiply both the denominator and numerator by 2 to get a number 100 in the denominator. 30 multiplied by 2 is equal to 60. 50 multiplied by 2 is equals to 100, and 60 written as it is, and 1 by 100 equals to percent. Question number 8. Write each percentage as a fraction, reducing it to lowest terms where possible. First we convert this percentage into a fraction, then reduce it to its lowest terms. 30%, as you know, 30 written in the denominator and percentage equals to 1 by 100. This also equals to 30 by 100. So you know 30 and 100 are 30 and 100. 30 is in the multiple of 5, and 100 is the multiple of also 5. So we cut this denominator and numerator by the table 5. So we get 6 by 20. Again we cut it by these are the multiples of 2, and we cut these numbers by the number 2. So we get 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is our answer, and it's in the lowest form. Part B is 45 by 45%. 45% is equals to 45 numerator, and percentage means 1 by 100. This also equals to 45 by 100. As you know, 45 is the multiple of 5. And 100 is also the multiple of 5. So if we get if we cut these two by a number 5, we get 9 by 20. Part C is 89%. 89% means 89 by 100. These are two different numbers which, and both are not a multiple of a single number. Part D is 24%. 24% means 24 in the numerator and percentage means 100 in the denominator. If as you know, these are the multiples of number 4. If we cut these by the number 4, we get 6 by 25. Question number 9. Change these fractions into percentages, reducing of your answer to 2 decimal places where necessary. 2 by 7 of 100 means 2 by 7 multiplied by 100. 2 multiplied by 100 is equals to 200 by 7. And if we multiply 7 by a number 100, we get 28.571. 28.571. If we round off 2 decimal places, so 1 is less than 5, so we just cut the number 1 and 28.57 is our answer. Part B is 5 by 14 of 100. 5 by 14 of 100 means 5 divided by 14 multiplied by 100. 5 multiplied by 100 is equals to 500 divided by 14 fraction. If we multiply 14 by a number 500, we get the answer. After dividing, we get the answer 35.7 and use the percentage sign. 35.7% is our answer. Part C is 5 by 9 of 100. 5 by 9 of 100 means 5 by 9 multiplied by 100. 5 multiplied by 100 equals to 500. 9 in the denominator. If we divide these numbers, we get 57.11. 57.11 means if we round off these numbers, 1 is less than number, so we cut the number 1 and 57.1% is our answer. Part D is 6 by 13 of 400. 6 by 13 multiplied by 100. 6 multiplied by 100, 600, and 13 in the denominator, 46. If we divide these numbers, we get 46.15. 5 is equals to 5, so we cut the number 5 and add 1 into the next number. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. 46.2 is our answer. Question number 10. Change these mixed numbers into percentages. Change these mixed numbers into percentages means we have to convert these mixed numbers into percentages, into common fraction and then percentage. How to convert mixed number into percentage? As you know, 4 multiplied by 4 plus add 1. 4 multiplied by 4 is equal to 16 plus 1, 17 by 4. 17 by 4, then we convert 4 to a number 100, so we can write it in a percentage. 17 by 4, if we multiply 24 by both denominator and numerator, we get 100 in the numerator. 425 by 100, 425 and 100 in the denominator means percent, 425%. Part B is 6, 7 by 20. First we convert into a common fraction by multiplying 20 by 6 and add 7 in the numerator. 127 by 20, 127 by 20 and 127 over 20. If we multiply both denominator and numerator, we get 100 in the denominator. 635 by 100 means 635. 100 means 100 in the denominator means percent, 635%. Part C is 6, 3 by 50. First we convert the mixed fraction into a common fraction, then we multiply it by a number 2, so we get 100 in the denominator. 606 over 100. 606 or 100 in the denominator means percent. Part D is again the same as we do our parts. 5 multiplied by 1 plus 3, 8 by 5. Multiplying both the denominator and numerator by 20. 160 by 100 means 160%. Stay home, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.